Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing and sharing my first impression of the adidas Agravic Terrex trail running shoes. Super excited to check this out. Let's dive right in. I purchased this from official Adidas store and it arrived from Dubai within 3 days via DHL. It cost me around $125 including 15% discount. These shoes are built in tough. The upper combined textile and synthetic materials reinforced with absorption-resistant overlays. According to Adidas, this design ensures durability without compromising breathability, keeping your feet cool during those intense trail runs. Let's start from the top. The upper is made with a mix of synthetic and textile materials, reinforced with absorption-resistant overlays. It feels tough, but it's also breathable, so your feet don't overheat during long runs. Great combo of durability and comfort. This is where the magic happens, the light strike cushioning. It's soft, lightweight and responsive, making every step feel natural and bouncy. And there's a TPU stability plate embedded in the midsole to keep your foot steady on uneven ground.